Hey everyone, how is it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Chroma key in Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So I have already imported 2 example videos that we will use in this tutorial. Let's add the video to the timeline and start the process. Now select the video, then go to Remove BG and tick this box right here. Also make sure that you have selected this pen icon. If you haven't, then do that because otherwise Chroma key won't work. Once you select, then just go to the screen on the color you want to remove. Now increase the intensity to 70 to 80 so we can remove the color from the edges. Leave the shadow as it is. Now let's see the video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
All right, let's add this one to the timeline and then follow the same process, but this time we will be removing this white color. Intensity is very important for the Chroma key, so you have to adjust it depending on video to video. That's how you can use the Chroma key in Capcut PC. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.